why was copy made? It was some copy to the one file to the other one. Okay. Here you have a couple of files. From us, in our purpose, it's important these files, what text. Okay, just we say vim what text and you can see what is there. Okay, this is our text. So we just go out from there. Okay. So syntax, it is some, we can write cp sudo cp what text so, and then where so it's now we will writing some sudo what text we want to copy and where we want to copy. It's important. Okay, so what text and where. Okay, now we make enter and we make ls and then we have here where text. So we will check it out and we will see, and it's in where text and you can see this is our text. You can use the manual, we just can man cp enter and you can see a lot of information regarding what is it, options, synopsis, descriptions, lot of switches you can see here. Really recommend you for attention. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for your attention and see you by the next video. Bye bye.